Kardeşim Dündar'ın hanlı pazarı satmak için burada olduğunu bilirim.
Kardeşim Dündar'ın hanlı pazarı satmak için burada olduğunu bilirim. I know that my brother Dündar is here to sell hanlı pazar. So kardeşim Dündar'ın. So kardeşim Dündar means my brother Dündar is his name. Hanlı pazarı. The hanlı pazar, this is the name of the market. Pazar means market. Satmak için, to sell, for selling, satmak to sell. Okay. Burada olduğunu bilirim. Bilirim, I know. Burada means here. Olduğunu here means that. So again, bilirim, I know that olduğunu. My brother Dündar is here, burada is here to sell the hanlı pazar.
Lakin kayya şer olanın hiç kimseye hayrı olmayacağını da bilirim.
Kayaya şer olanın hiç kimseye hayrı olmayacağını da bilirim. Meaning, I also know that what is bad for Kaya is his tribe's name, will not be good for anyone. So, da bilirim means I also know. I know, da means also bilirim, I know. So I also know. Kayaya şer olanın, the thing that is bad for the kayı. So şer means bad, olan the thing. So I also know that the bad thing which for the kayı hiç kimseye hayrı olmayacağını, will not be good for anyone. Hiç kimseye, anyone, hayrı here means good, olmayacağını, will not be good. It's the negative. The ma is the negative. So the meaning, I also know that what is bad for kayı will not be good for anyone.
Buna mütevellit, bu mukabelelerin benim gözümde zerrece hükmü yoktur.
Buna mütevellit bu mukavelelerin benim gözümde zerrece hükmü yoktur. Meaning of the sentence, based on this, these contracts mean nothing to me. Now, of course, when we translate word by word, it will be a little bit different, but we take the proper translation. Buna mütevellit means based on that. Bu mukavelelerin, these contracts. Now in Turkish now we say sözleşme, but first or before they used to use this word. So these contracts benim gözümde zerrece hükmü yoktur. Meaning of the whole sentence is doesn't mean anything to me. But if I want to translate each word alone for you to know the meanings, benim gözümde, in my eyes, göz means eyes, benim gözümde, in my eyes, zerrece means at all, hükmü yoktur means has no effect. So hükmü yoktur means has no effect at all in my eyes. But of course, we don't translate this way. We say means nothing to me. So based on this, these contracts mean nothing to me.
Sen ne dersin Ertuğrul Bey?
Sen ne dersin Ertuğrul Bey? What are you saying Ertuğrul Bey? So here dersin from demek to say. Dersin in the geniş zaman what? And we have ne, what are you saying? He didn't like what he said.
Dündar Bey mukaveleye kayıların mührünü bastı. Şahitlerin huzurunda Bahadır Bey'in altınları aldı.
Dündar Bey mukaveleye kayıların mührünü bastı. Şahitlerin huzurunda Bahadır Bey'in altınları aldı. Dündar Bey put the Kayı family's seal on the contract. This is the first sentence. Let's explain it first. So Dündar Bey put the seal. At that time, every family, every tribe had their own seal. So it means when he put the seal on the contract, it means he signed. In other words, Dündar Bey, as we said, mukaveleyi on the contract, kayıların mührünü bastı. Bastı here means he pressed. Kayıların mührünü, kayız what we said seal. So kayı means the name of kayı is the name of the tribe. When we say kayıların, kayılar, the plural, it means the family, the tribe, in other words, of the kayı. So Dündar Bey put the Kayız family or Kayız tribe seal on the contract. Şahitlerin huzurunda Bahadır Bey'in altınları aldı. He took Bahadır Bey's gold in the presence of the witnesses. So şahitlerin, the witnesses that are sitting around the table, huzurunda, which means in the presence. So in the presence of the witnesses. Bahadır Bey'in altınları aldı. He took, aldı means took. Altın means gold. He took the gold of Bahadır Bey.
Elimde kayı mührünün olduğu bu anlaşma olduktan sonra senin de sözlerinin hükmü yoktur, Ertuğrul Bey.
Ertuğrul.
Elimde kaya mührünün olduğu bu anlaşma olduktan sonra senin de sözlerinin hükmü yoktur Ertuğrul Bey. So translation of the whole sentence. After this agreement with the kaya seal in my hand, your words have no effect Ertuğrul Bey. So elimde in my hand kaya mührünün kayız seal olduğu, here it means these four words, the first four words mean the kaya seal in my hand, but we have to continue the sentence. Bu anlaşma olduktan sonra, after this agreement. So we'll start with the second part. Bu anlaşma olduktan sonra, after this agreement, olduktan means olduktan sonra, after it happened. He's talking about the contract. Bu anlaşma olduktan sonra, after this agreement, so anlaşma means agreement, with what? The kayız mührü, with the kayı mührünün, which is the kayız seal, in my hand. So he has the seal on the paper which is in his hand. Senin de sözlerinin hükmü yoktur. Your words also have no effect. So we said before, hükmü yoktur means no effect. Sözlerin, your words, what you're saying, whatever you're saying has no effect. Senin de, you also. Again, the meaning of the whole sentence, after this agreement with the kaya seal in my hand, your words have no effect. Ertuğrul Bey.